If you ever find yourself saying, I can't remember how to set rate plans, can you please help me? Or, I have an overbooking situation in my hotel, what should I do? They are here to help. Allow us to introduce you to the amazing Exely customer support team.
I am the first contact between clients and internal process. My job is to react as soon as possible when there's any issues regarding to operation.
Every day I face different clients. They have each uniqueness. When I solve different problems every day, I also develop my skills further.
I've been in hospitality industry since before, and I know how they feel, so I know what they need.
So, the guys are your guides to Exely Solutions. They dedicate themselves to making sure you can work with high margins and live with ease. Here at Exely, we are interested in growing their expertise. So, these days, in Bali, our customer support managers are attending the support camp. This is a training where they connect, share the experience, and discuss challenging cases to learn how to better understand your hotel's needs and pains.
As a team, we've all met together, met the supervisors and got a lot of training in regards to how to meet the clients, talk to the clients.
It's a great time we are having, and we are understanding a lot what we can improve and what we can give to our customers.
So we talk about cultivating emotional intelligence, so basically improving ourselves in order to offer a customer experience that is great.
Me and my fellow customer support manager collaborate together to come up with some resolutions about our product on how are we going to improve what we are lacking for.
I think that is a great opportunity for us to get together, get to know each other, share the cases, share the experience, because we work in different countries. And I think it will benefit not just Vietnam hotels, but also other countries' hotels as well, that we have this brainstorming to try to improve the performance of our products.
I think for hotels specifically in Malaysia, it's really important for them to have their own website. They actually can manage and create everything by their own self, and also can minimize the commissions. In part of developing ourselves, we're also learning and gaining more knowledge to make sure that we're able to provide the best service to all of the hotels.
These are their friendly voices that you hear on the other end of your calls and messages, and they are in your language.
Yang saya lakukan untuk hotelier adalah memastikan mereka bisa menggunakan sistem kami dan menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan atau problem-problem yang mereka sampaikan kepada kami.
ก็ตอนนี้เป็นการช่วยโรงแรมในการเซตอัพแล้วก็การตั้งค่าเบื้องต้น
Mari bergabung dengan kami untuk bisa menikmati sistem kami, karena sistem kami sangat lengkap dan it's like one solution for the hotel dan bisa boost sales hotel.
Meet the Exely customer support team in your country.
3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Okay.